Today I am going to show you how to add server states in your Discord server. See this server, they have server states, all member list, bot list, categories list and list. So how can you create this in your server? Today I am showing this. So first of all you need to add server states bot. Go to serverstatesbots.com, then invite the bot. Select your server, test server, continue, authorize, select I am human. Okay, the bot has been added, server states. Now type s by counter, here all available counters. Now I will add all shows member and bots. So s by create, first s by create, sorry, not as by create, as by counter, uh, all, as by all, type as by all. Did not have provide an existing action, you can use create. As by create, wait, see the commands. As by first we need to set up is as by setup. Now type voice, as by voice, here server states come. Now make it to the top, all members 8, members 4, bots 4. They all already added, members here already added, bots here already added. Now pending, no pending not necessary, so I won't add it. If you want you can add it. Now I will add channels, so as by counter, not space, as by counter, and create channels and type voice. The bot has turned the channels counter here. Channels 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now text, show the text channels, so as by counter, create text voice. Here text channels come. Now voice channel categories, type as by counter, create voice, counter, create voice. Here voice channels come 6. And now go to categories, as by counter, create categories voice. Categories channel come. Staging and parents not necessary for me. If you want to add you can add by typing as by counter, create staging voice or parent voice. Now roles, and roles show the amount of server roles, and roles show users in one or more roles. So it's not necessary for me, so I won't add it. I edit roles, so as by counter, create roles voice. Here roles come, 12 roles available in our channel. Here this 12. Now emojis not necessary, static not necessary, animated not necessary for me. Here now we are seeing they have all members, we also have all members, bots, channels, text channels, voice channels, categories, roles. If you want to add all emojis static channel, then can add by typing as by counter create emojis voice. You are currently have 8 active counters. There is currently a limit of 8 counter per server. If we want to add more, then we need to vote here. Go and log in. Now go again in this link and confirm your vote. Now I can add more. So now I will add as by counter create emojis voice. See, voice added, all emojis added. Now static, so as by counter create static type voice. It's added static emojis. Type as by counter. I will add this pending voice. Sorry, as by counter create pending voice. See, it added. And not more today. Subscribe this channel to and hit the bell icon to get the next part.